And then you can also substitute 1 drop per 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried thyme in savory food recipes. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of thyme essential oil. Thought to impart courage to its bearer, thyme was given to knights and warriors before they went into battle by ladies of the Middle Ages. During this same period, thyme was often placed beneath pillows to help promote a peaceful sleep and to ward off nightmares. The ancient Greeks used thyme in their baths and burned it as an incense in their temples, while the Egyptians used it in their embalming rites. Today, thyme is commonly used as a seasoning, but it also produces a potent essential oil, that has cleansing and purifying properties and effects for the skin. However, due to its highly thymol content, thyme should only be diluted with doTERRA fractionated coconut oil before topical application. Thyme has specific chemistry that supports a healthy immune system as well. The top 3 most common uses for doTERRA's thyme oil are aromatic, so that means breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of thyme are that it supports a healthy immune system, purifies skin, and flavors food on top of repelling insects. The directions for use are diluting with that fractionated coconut oil we were talking about earlier, or FCO, and applying that to the bottoms of your feet first, and then the thyme oil. And then you can put like 1 to 2 drops per foot on that one, and that will support your immune system. And then the fractionated coconut oil that I like to use is doTERRA's. So this is non-greasy, no smell, and you would put that on first. And then this will help to reduce the concentration and therefore reduce the chance of irritation from the essential oil. This will also help to cover larger surface areas of your body and help the essential oil to absorb better into your skin. Since the essential oil is a volatile aromatic compound, basically it evaporates really quickly, and the coconut oil is a lot more heavier with regards to that. And then you can also substitute 1 drop per 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried thyme in savory food recipes. And then finally, you can diffuse 2 drops each of thyme, basil, and rosemary for herbal uplift. And that would be great to place in your kitchen, your living room, or even your bedroom with regards to a nice diffuser. And so the diffusers I like to use are the Petal Diffuser, Aroma Light, as well as the Lumo Diffuser from doTERRA. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below to continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.